Okay, ladies and gents, I am calling this build done. I actually found some Nuln Oil, so I actually managed to give it a decent black wash this time instead of using my quite stagnant homemade wash. So yeah, I like this. And the scale, we still need a name for this little guy, by the way, is pretty much right. Now, what I would do differently next time is with the corn stalks. Next time I wouldn't cut them off straight away. What I would do is exactly the same as I did, but not cut them. That way I could like dip them, then stick the end in something and leave them to dry that way. Then I could dip them and get complete coverage. But hey ho, with the power of hindsight, we would all be geniuses. And I also use different grades of flocking. You maybe can't make it out, but I use rough sawdust and oregano leaves for the foliage. Okay, it looks a bit strange. It looks like some madman has planted some sawdust flavoured knickknacks in a field. But yeah, I think that looks pretty okay. Maybe a touch too uniform in the way of planting. I don't know, maybe the farmer had OCD or something. So, yes, once again, thank you to Tabletop Generals for this suggestion. I will post a link to their channel down in the description. So go check out their channel, tell them I said hey. So if you like this, please do leave a like. If you disliked it, feel free to dislike. Just tell me what you would do differently. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, help me get to 100 subs. I'm at, currently at time of recording, I am at 80, which is amazing, so thank you all. And don't forget to hit that notification bell.